Very good evening. Myself Ashwini Kumar Gupta, and here I'm just going to represent a topic for my demonstration, that is trigonometry. It's a part of mathematics, so we are going to discuss about the term trigonometry. And I hope in this entire session, after the completion of this session, you all will able to know about the term trigonometry and how we use this in our mathematics. So, the first thing that we should know about this is what this is basically the relationship between the sides of a triangle and the respective angles. Okay, what does it means? Basically, trigonometry is a relation between relation it established the relationship between sides and angle. Okay, it defines the relationship between sides and angle. Okay, so suppose what we have to know about this trigonometry is the first thing that we apply the trigonometrical identities, whatever the identities we have on a right angle triangle. So suppose we have a right angle triangle here. We have a right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is 90 degree, right? So we have basically six trigonometrical identities that are called sine, cos, tan, right? That is called sine, cosine, tangent, right? And the reciprocal of these, like cosec, secant, that is sec, and the last cot. So there are these six identities what we have, right? So suppose we have to find out these properties, like suppose we are working for this angle C, we have to find out the value of sine C, or in short we say cosine is represented as cos, tan is represented as tan. Suppose these three identities what we are working for, that is sine C, cos C and tan C. So here if we put this angle for our observation to understand about the trigonometrical identities, that is C, so understand this thing very carefully, that the side related to this angle on which this is established, on which this is designed, is called adjacent side, and the opposite side to this angle, that is AB, is called opposite side, and the highest or the longest side of the triangle is called hypotenuse, right? So whenever we are working for the sine theta, or we can say here for this example, if we are going to get the value of sine C, so sine C refers, that is opposite side to the relevant angle, opposite side over hypotenuse, right? So the opposite side for the sine is C angle is, that is AB, and the hypotenuse is AC. So this is the trigonometrical identities sine C. So in this we can have or we can see that here this is the angle C and this is the ratio of side. So what we have done, basically we have established the ratio between the angle and the side. In the same manner, if we are working for cos C, so cos C can be written as adjacent side. It's a ratio of basically adjacent side and the highest side, that is called hypotenuse, right? So the adjacent side is BC and the hypotenuse side is AC. So we have another relation for cos, that is I am putting here cos C is equal to AB, sorry, not AB, cos C is equal to BC over AC. This is the second identity what we are working. Okay. So what we have gone through, we have gone through the value of sin C, we have gone through the value of cos C. In a same manner, we can find out the value of tan C. Okay. So whenever we are working for tan C, it is a ratio of opposite side. It's a ratio of opposite side over adjacent side over adjacent side. So if we see, the opposite side for angle C is AB and the adjacent side for this is BC. So we have tan C is equal to AB over BC. Now, since the duration that is given to me to represent the topic is very low, very less, so I'm just putting one main point here. We can find out the value of tan C in the such manner as well, that it's a ratio of sin C over cos C. If we put the value of sin C, that will be AB by AC, and cos C, that is BC by AC. In both situations, AC will cancel out. We will further get this equation, right? So as we can see, there is a relationship between the angle of the triangle and the sides, right? So this is called basically the fundamental of trigonometry. And one thing more, suppose we are working for this angle A. So for this angle A, this AB will become adjacent side and BC will become opposite side. So this opposite side or this adjacent side depends upon what the angle we have chosen. We have chosen C, that is why BC is adjacent and AB is opposite. But suppose we have chosen A, so the opposite side will be BC and the adjacent side will be AB. So since I think the time has been done, so there are three identities what we have discussed: sine, cos and tan about this right angle triangle. I hope you will able to understand what I have taught you. So in future, definitely we will try our best and we will discuss further about cot theta and cosec theta. So thank you very much, sir. Have a great day.